Oh no! I don't want. Oh. Hey everybody, welcome back to another show. Good show. I'm your host, Daisy. Look at this slime. Today I'm getting rid of my giant slime smoothie. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I don't want to get rid of it. But I keep putting more slime in it, and it's up to the top now. When I first made it, it was like only right here. Right here. So I have to get rid of it, but I'm so sad. But let's just get started. Like I said, I'm super sad to get rid of it. I haven't played with it in such a long time. Because I am saving a little bit of it. And oh, why was there pink slime in between the straw? Can you see that it's pink? The top feels so weird. And the bottom is just like a glossy, sandy slime. Oh my gosh, look at all the sand. Can you see that? Look at all the sand in that piece. Look at all the sand in that piece. It sinks to the bottom. The sand sinks to the bottom because, oh my gosh, that's so weird. It was like trapped around all that stuff. I kind of want to give some of this away, but I don't know how to do a giveaway. But, so yeah, I'm not going to do that. But I don't know how to do a giveaway unless I do it through Instagram, and not a lot of my subscribers have Instagram, and it makes me sad. But it's still pokeable. Oh my gosh, look at all the sand though. Look at all the sand. I don't know if it's showing up, but oh my gosh. At the bottom it's just all sand. And this does not smell very good because there's a lot of scents from like lotion and stuff. Like there's so much stuff in it. It's hard to even, it's so heavy. I need to weigh this and see how much it weighs, but we don't have a scale, and the one we do have is like broken, and it doesn't work. So I don't know how much this weighs, but it's heavy. I want to. This is a pom-pom. Alright. Get ready! Alright, I'm gonna do it as soon as I get this angle. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels so weird. It's so cold. I don't know how I'm going to get this off my feet, actually. But... Ah! This is crazy! Oh my god. It's so heavy. I can't even get it off my foot. No! No! My other foot is stuck now! Oh, no! I can't get it out of it! Somebody help me! Oh no, it's on. Oh no! Oh my foot! Oh my foot! Oh my foot! Alright. Gonna get this on my foot, then I got my other foot out. This was, oh no! It almost got on my bed. I can't get. Ah! You can't even see. My other foot is like like stuck. Can you see my other foot? Oh, like it's so heavy on my foot. I can't believe I just did that. Oh my gosh. No, it's still sinking, and this slime is so thick. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's in the. Oh no! I don't want. Oh. I gotta get this off my foot. Hang on. At my foot. Oh. Oh! Look at my foot! I can't believe it! Look at. I'm never doing that again. Never! Don't do that at home either. No. I just got a big chunk off my foot. Okay. I'm gonna use it to help me get. There! I did it. See? See my foot? Okay. It's working! Ow! That hurt! Don't put slime on your foot. Okay. Alright. Gotta do this. I'm doing the biggest slime drizzle ever! Get all the slime. Get my arm though. Oh no, that's gonna hurt. It's so heavy! It's so heavy! Ah! Sorry. Wait, it's really heavy. I'm gonna do it with my foot. I really am getting rid of this though. I just can't do it. I can't. Alright, I'm trying to pick this up. Pick this up. I did it! No! Why? This is the most fun video I've ever done. I did it! It's so heavy. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at it. Else I can't see it. Where'd it go? It's on my leg again. And I am filming it on the same day as I did the last clip, so yeah. Alright. There's. Alright. Ready? Bad idea. Ready? You need to to scale the slime back a little bit. I almost literally fell in it. Did not mean to do that. Hey. All right. Ow. I hurt my hand. I landed on a bead. With the slime, and I'm gonna dump it out. Enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Beneficial Chelsea. Comment down below something. And also, did any of you go to see the eclipse yesterday? Because I did, and it was amazing. Go check out my second channel, Days of Craziness. Links in the description box. Also, follow me on Instagram at ICBlueCandy. Also in the description box. And I'll see you all next time.